Oh.
It's huge.
He's huge. Look.
Look at that Cogsworth back there.
Oh yeah. Cogsworth looks intense. Got Woody and Buzz. That's really cool. And then all these little minifigs.
They're made with little men.
Yeah, isn't that neat?
Look, this one has like different faces on all of them.
Oh. That's super fun. Got a pin traders. Lots of pins. Got Buzz and Woody up there. Lego store. Should we go and see if we can go in? Doesn't look like there's any way here. Yeah.
Go ahead and come in again.
All right. Whoa. These are cool. So we've been seeing these. Yeah. So there's these. I think they're somewhere, but there's these bouquets of Legos. Isn't that great? All made from Legos and little bonsai trees.
So cute.
Oh, let's start over here. Star Wars.
You want to get this one then?
I do.
Where would you put that? Hang it on the
Everywhere.
ceiling? Just like hang it.
I know. These are really cool.
You know, I saw this at Target. I almost bought it for you.
119?
Yeah,
You should
I saw
have.
the price and I was like, yeah, no, never mind.
This is really nice. A-Wing. There's a Y-Wing in there. These are really cool. So I've got that one, the fighter pilot. Dio. Oh, what's in there?
Grogu.
Oh, Grogu.
So cute.
They did a good job with Grogu. That's nice. Coloring, shuttle.
Guys, right here.
Alright, they got Coliseum. Hey, Hogwarts! Look. That's pretty cool. Coliseum.
The Coliseum is cool.
There's Redonk. Medieval blacksmith. That's cool. Django.
Man, the things that people do with Legos just amazes me.
Yeah, pretty cool.
More Star Wars.
Of course, more Star Wars. Oh look, Ahsoka. Armored tanks. That's cool. Oh, we got Yoda.
Want some burger at the side?
Oh boy, look at that. Resistance, transport.
They even have ketchup on the.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
That's so cute.
Oh, look at this haunted house.
Oh my god.
Got the Ecto 1. That is amazing. These boxes are hefty.
Big things.
That's really neat. Manchester United. This is kind of the Lego cities.
You're gonna get the.
These are cool. Each sold separately. Got a whole town you can make.
Sesame Street, the next one.
Yeah, Sesame. And then Stranger Things is so
Oh
cool.
my god, it has the upside down.
Isn't that neat?
So cool.
I guess does it stand on the trees?
I'm guessing. That is amazing. I need to see a display of that one, please.
I know. Got some bunnies.
Christmas!
Santa on the Beatles. Stranger Things. Oh look, there's a New Year's one. That's really fun.
That's fun. It's fireworks.
Oh, that's really cool how they did that. Pirate ship.
I love it.
Oh my, that is nice. Look, and they're vloggers. Just like us. Oh.
See,
Did
chip
you
and
change?
down, chip and down, chip and down.
Oh, there's Chip and there's Dale. That is too cool. Yeah, I love that.
Oh, this is like painting of the car. That's so cute.
It is really cool.
Chris,
Oh, I got that roller coaster.
Oh yeah, that's the snow.
look at
What are they watching?
Movie. You can make them watch anything
I
you
want
want.
to go back to the movies, please. Can I go? Can I join you guys? I haven't been to a movie in a long time.
A witch. A witch.
This guy's head is backwards in the middle. He's angry.
He's like, stop yelling.
Turn off your phone.
It's fun. Lots of cars. Technics are crazy. Land Rover. Lamborghini. This one's as expensive as a real Lamborghini. Motorcycle. Bugatti.
Is it so funny? Because we just like watched a bunch of videos about the tallest buildings, and it's like all like.
Oh yeah, Shanghai. So cool. Paris. That's neat. New York. Statue of Liberty.
Oh, camping trip.
Oh, that's a neat one. Lions. Animals.
Oh, my nephew would love this. Skylar loves.
Oh
Minecraft.
yeah, Minecraft. Lots of Lego. Lots of Lego. And you guys haven't seen my video where I made the Star Wars helmet. We'll link it down in the description for you guys.
Yeah.
And just look at this Lego
I
store.
wonder how heavy that
The thing's, yeah, I'm sure.
is. Super heavy.
Oh, Darth Vader.
Look down.
Hope he doesn't approve.
Oh my god.
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, little guy? And you've got a whole wall. You can just pick a brick. Yes. Oh yeah, you've got a kind of a template of what kind of bricks.
There's eyelash ones up top.
Eyelash number 4. Different brick options there. Neat. I like that. Too cool. You got more Ninjago. That's cool. Digital box? Tigers. There's that tower thing we saw.
Okay, I see what you should do. Says try me.
Alright, so you gotta take one.
And you show. I'm guessing. Oh, there it is. Look.
Oh, what?
It shows you what is in the box.
Oh, you can see my camera in there. They're like playing on the box.
Ah, there's a dragon card.
Oh my gosh, so it shows how you can play with the toy that you're gonna end up getting.
That is so
there's
cool.
the box, and then there is, I'll zoom in. There's all the toys playing on the box.
Oh my god, I want to see the pirate ship now. Now I'm going to go crazy.
Oh my gosh.
So the pirate ship one?
Oh, up here? You get that one up there?
Yeah.
That's neat. It's like a AR. Okay, so here is. Look at that.
That's so cool that it shows you
Well, see?
what's on there. You want to do one more?
I don't know. Which one should we do?
Look at the big thing.
Here.
Which one?
I'm gonna grab this one.
Oh my god, it's a big one.
This is a big one. Alright.
That's good. This one goes already.
Is it gonna work?
Show the picture of it.
Working?
There it is.
Gosh, it's so heavy. Look at this thing.
It's so cool.
Look at that. That is neat.
There's guys in there.
Oh my gosh.
That's so cool.
All
I
right.
gotta give you an example of what you're doing.
That is way too cool. That's a lot of Legos.
Switch
All
up.
right, yeah, we'll switch. Flippity flap, and on we go. So look, Jurassic Park, and that's amazing. Monkey World, or Monkey Kid. I haven't heard of Monkey Kid. There's a whole line of Monkey Kid. Wow. Jurassic Park one is pretty cool.
A little sample of Jurassic.
Oh,
A
no,
little map in his hand.
Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. That looks so cool.
You want to say
Oh.
the Joker?
Batmobile, look at that. I think it's,
It is really
it
big.
is, that's as big as my arm. That is massive. It's a big boy. That's from the original too. That's the original 1989 one.
Is that from Captain America Robot?
Oh, Spider-Man, Marvel stuff. Look at those. Oh look, get a free year of the Ox set with a purchase over 85. That's pretty cool. Iron Man poster one.
Oh no, the forest is on fire.
Oh no.
No, only you can prevent forest. Oh my god, look at they have like water coming out from the That's so cool.
That is pretty cool.
Water coming out of the hose. Oh, so cute.
Way too cool.
The underwater one, they have sharks.
Oh yeah? That is neat. Anything you can think of.
I know.
Oh my gosh, look at this. You can make your own Nintendo Entertainment Center. That is amazing. Even the controller's made of Lego. That is
Oh
neat.
my god!
And then there's a little game. Can you like make them move up and down?
That is so cute.
I can't.
I would display that.
I would
I don't know
too.
where, because we have no space, but that is amazing.
Yeah, that's on our list for sure.
It's our childhood.
That's on our list.
These are the little pieces for the game, right?
Yeah, and this is the interactive one where it's got that digital Mario, all the different sets, Harry Potter stuff. Kind of like a Polly Pocket set kind of there where you play. Neat.
And I saw a big castle over there.
Oh, the big, 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 big one. Here it is. Castle itself.
Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell should be up top flying around.
She should.
Like when the fireworks show's happening. That's so cute. Oh no! Oh, Beauty and the Beast.
look at
These are
these.
like Polly Pockets. Like these are
Yeah.
like Polly Pockets completely.
Duplo minis.
It has the wardrobe back there.
Aww.
It even has the stained glass up top. Oh, these little tiny details.
I love it. That's so cute.
There's an aerial one. There's a bigger frozen one that I need. Just kidding.
All right. So, that was the Lego store here at Downtown Disney. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and see what else is there next. Oh, Chewbacca. Hey, Chewie, how you doing? You seen better days?
Better days.
Your eyeballs.